Hello everyone, welcome to SEO Guy. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to do SEO for a bankruptcy lawyer. If you are a bankruptcy lawyer, you have a very good opportunity to get free of cost sales and conversions from Google. And if you do perfect SEO, you can run your business like a guru. So if we look at the search demand, that can help you understand the quality and demand of your niche. We see that 220 million searches are on Google inside United States for the word bankruptcy. And if we expand our keyword category, we see 275,000 keywords related to that specific query. If we lower our searches to local perspective, we see hundreds of searches every month. But the question arises, why should I do that? The answer is simple. Let's say you are based in Baltimore and someone searches for bankruptcy lawyer in Baltimore. It is highly likely that your profile will appear and they will contact you. This is something that they are not doing for some enjoyment or some time pass. They are doing because they need your help. Unlike movies, if someone searches for movies, they can watch any of the movie. But if they are searching for bankruptcy lawyers, they are serious in needing for the help. And this way you can show up and you can help them and earn your revenue. So this is the reason that you should follow. This is called search intent. Search intent is reason behind search. And if you fulfill the reason behind search, Google will definitely show you at the top and you will get hundreds of leads every month for your query in your city. Next, we look at the ways that can help you to generate more leads every month. So there are three different ways that you can grow your business and get more leads from Google. First is website. Let's say you do a good website SEO of your business and in result someone searches for a bankruptcy lawyer and your website appears. Or let's say you post a lot of helpful content articles and someone searches for your help and they look at your article and they get help and then they hire you. In this way you can get clients from all around the country like United States. Second good way is Google My Business Profile. Let's say you are based in Baltimore and someone searches for your business and you appear in the first of the line in search results. You can get a lot of leads from there, and in result you'll get hundreds of customers every month. Third most effective way is Google Ads, which is costly and you have to spend a lot of money on it and you have to do perfect Google Ads strategy so you can get a lot of customers every month. But in that way your results are limited to ads. Whenever you run ad you get customers, otherwise you won't get any of these. So this way your business is very limited. But with Google My Business or website SEO you can get lifetime clients from Google. Now I'm going to share with you the tips and techniques and steps that you need to follow in order to do SEO for your business. Now let's discuss the detailed step-by-step guide on how to do SEO for bankruptcy lawyers. So here's a detailed process. I will explain each and everything in detail so that you can do it yourself. But if you don't have enough time and you want to hire a freelancer or agency, you can contact me and I will do it for you. So first step is keyword research. We are talking about website. And if we talk about website, we have to gather a lot of keywords to rank higher in Google. So there are different keywords. For example, one keyword I extracted is St. Louis bankruptcy lawyer. It's from SEMrush. So if we look at this keyword, this keyword is being searched by many people in Google to get their specific bankruptcy lawyer. But how to get that keyword? There are two different ways to get keyword research done in easy steps. First is free, second is paid. So the free step is you go to Google, you write something and you get results. Let's say you search for bankruptcy lawyer near me. In this way, you will see all the local pages and website that state bankruptcy lawyers near me. Go to their website, go to their Google My Business profile, and they will tell you all the keywords that are placed inside their profile or business. You can write those down, placed on your website, and get higher rankings. This is the first step. Second step is to do SEMrush, Neil Patel, Uber Suggest, or some other keyword tool. You can place your keyword inside that tool and it will show you all the results that people are searching for. For example, I have written this a keyword St. Louis bankruptcy lab, but this is not the only keyword. People are searching in different ways. For example, someone is searching as bankruptcy attorney in St. Louis. Someone is searching as St. Louis bankruptcy attorney. Someone searching is different ways. So there are hundreds of variations. You have to write those down and place inside your website. So this is the way you can do keyword research for your website. Now another important trick is to use city plus keyword. For example, if you are inside Baltimore, you can use Baltimore bankruptcy layer. If you are inside Chicago, you can use bankruptcy layer in Chicago. And similarly for all the other states and cities, use your city plus keyword and you will get your results. Now, next is conversion. Conversion is highly relied on your business. If someone does not convert, is useless. And the higher chances are there if your website is not user friendly. Let's say your website is dull. In this way, you can get your customers revert back to Google, hiring the bounce rate and resulting in lower conversion. We can help you in responsive website. You can contact us and we'll help you to get more conversions through a user friendly website. Second is speed. Your website must open in very short time span. For example, 3 seconds. If your website does not open in short time span, your user will go back and won't come again. Then is phone number. If your website does not represent your phone number or WhatsApp number or email or any other contact option, they will not contact you. So you should provide them contact information. Then you should have landing page. A landing page is where you're offering some offers to your customers. Let's say you are offering some free consultation or some other services. Users can book them, and in result, you can convert them and convince them to hire you. Then you have should have analytics. Analytics means you should have some source of information that how your website is performing. Then we have Google My Business. How to do Google My Business profile SEO? First, you have to do keyword research. I have shared that detailed guide that how to do keyword research. You can use again these keywords or city plus keyword or other keyword exploration tools. Then you should have relevance. For example, if someone is searching for bankruptcy, that they have a startup, they raised funds and then they went down, they failed, and now they have huge debt on them and they are looking for bankruptcy, you should tell them that I am the one who is providing those services. In this way, you can help them, and this is the highly converting trick. You have to apply in all of the service. You have to provide the services that people are looking for. Then you should have distance. Let's say you are inside main city of Chicago and someone is searching for your business and you're, let's say you are in the other end of Chicago, people won't come to you. You should be in the main location at the right time at right place so people can visit you. So relevance and distance is most important in Google My Business profile. Second is category. There are a lot of categories for same business. You have to apply all the categories in your business. For example, one is bankruptcy attorney and there are others. I have shown them on a picture. You can add all those related categories in your Google My Business profile. Then you should have prominence. You should ask for reviews. If they do not put reviews, give them incentives. Ask them, I will give you 10% off for each review you place on my Google My Business profile. Let's say you get 100 reviews and all of those are 5-star. In this way, you can get a lot of visibility in Google results, hence resulting in higher conversion rate. Then you should place ads. Ad is meant to present you in front of people who are searching for your services, and this is a cheap and quick way to get more customers. Then you should do on-page SEO on your website and Google My Business profile. And on-page SEO comes from backlinks. Other websites should mention you as a good lawyer. You should pay them so that they can link your website and you get higher rankings. Then you have guest blogging. In this way, people you go on the blogging sites and write a good article, and in result they link to your website and you get earn a backlink. Then you can hire influencers to look at your product and advertise it to their audience. In this way, you can get higher results. And the last thing is monitoring your ROI performance. In order to look at your performance for website, you can go to Google Search Console and look at the data that how much people are visiting your website, how much people are clicking on your website, how much the related categories that you might not have so far looked for, but related categories that can help you to get higher rankings. Additionally, you can use Google Analytics that can help you that what people are searching for, from which region, from which device, and from which perspective they are searching for. And this way you can get higher understandings of what they are doing. So these are the simple techniques to do bankruptcy SEO for bankruptcy lawyers, and hope you understand everything. If you are confused at something, don't forget to comment below. I will guide you with the detailed process. Or yes, and yes, you can get free consultation from me so that you can grow your business. Thank you.